Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching the final box of the Hemline Grotto Sewing Advent Calendar. So it's been a lot of fun, lots of neat things, pom-pom makers, threaded needles, magnets, and not everything is out because I didn't feel like just dropping all the loose pins, and the retractable tape measure is in my purse with my keys. But our nice little scissors, handy little gauge, our metallic threads, our other threads, so you can see all of the goodies that you get and how much fun it's been. Now let's see what's in box 24. It says thread snips. So just some little handy little thread nippers. Well, never have too many little nippers for your threads and, you know, cutting things up. Excellent. Absolutely excellent. And now let's turn it upside down. And now we have our design back. Ta-da! So you can see how it follows along. Yeah. This has been a lot of fun. I have really enjoyed getting a little sewing gift every day for the last 24 days. Well, 23 days plus today. I hope you have enjoyed the little journey as well. Be sure to find us on Facebook under Crazy Dave's Crew and the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. Crazy Dave's Crew encompasses all sorts of things that we've done. We've done Christmas traditions, we've done geocaching, we've done Can of Crazy. I had the kids write reports for homeschool and then made them, you know, videotape. So we did a skit one year. Still one of my favorite videos. It was Halloween. Just Call Me Dave. So you never know what craziness we're going to get up to, and I think we've been kind of boring the last year. So be ready. I think we're going to go a little crazy again. I think we need to earn our name again. Yes, I do. So be on the lookout. Lots of stuff coming around the bend. We have lots of things in the works. Lots of plans. So stick with us. Be sure to subscribe so you are with us for the whole journey. Lots of sewing coming up. Lots of other crafting. I'm wanting to learn a lot of new stuff. So come along. Check out our Shopify and also our Amazon store. You never know, you may get some money for Christmas and you want to buy yourself a little gift or two. And be on the lookout for Thursday Threads book clubs. That's coming up soon too. I hope you have enjoyed our little journey through this Advent calendar. I'm wishing you a very happy Christmas Eve. Happy anniversary to my mom and dad. Heaven anniversary, I guess. Anyway, they were married on Christmas Eve. And my mother had always said she would never do that again. Yeah, my mother was... She and my husband got along. They did. Well, I hope you're having a great day, a great preparation for tomorrow. I hope your family is well and safe. And I will see you next time, right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thank you for watching.